Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Sweet Craft Crochet Ideas, and today I'm sharing beautiful crochet handmade top blouse new design idea for inspiration. These designs are simple, stylish, elegant and easy to make. Crochet is not just about making clothes. Crochet is creativity. Crochet is peace. Crochet is art made with your own hand. When you crochet, you create something special from just yarn and hook. That is amazing. In this video, you will see different handmade crochet top blouse idea. Some are colorful and bright. Some are simple and classy. Some are perfect for summer. Some can be worn casually or for special occasion. The beauty of crochet is that you can choose what you love. You can choose your favorite color. You can choose your favorite pattern. Even you can choose your own style. Every stitch tells a story. A crochet top blouse is not just fashion, it is love, patience, and effort. For beginners, do not worry. If you're still learning, nobody starts as an expert. Every expert was once a beginner. Start small, learn one stitch at a time, practice every day. Slowly you will improve. Crochet teaches patience. Sometimes a design looks difficult, but when you try step by step, it becomes easy. Believe in yourself. You can make beautiful things too. Do not compare yourself with others. Your crochet journey is unique. Learn at your own pace. Enjoy the process. Mistakes are normal. Sometimes stitches are too tight. Sometimes low and uneven. Sometimes you have to undo your work and start again. That is okay. Crochet teaches us an important lesson in life. It is okay to start. It is okay to learn. It is okay to grow slowly. What matters is not the speed. Keep going. Keep creating. Keep running. These handmade top blouse designs are perfect for anyone who loves fashion and creativity. You can make them for yourself. You can make them for your sister. You can make them for your mother. You can even make them as a gift for friends. Handmade gifts are very special. They carry love and effort. A crochet top blouse can also become a business idea. Yes, your hobby can become income. Many people are making money through crochet. You can sell tops, bras, bags, hats, and many other items. Start with what you know. Start with what you love. Success begins with one step, one hook, one yarn, one stitch. That is how great things begin. Let this design inspire you today. Choose the design you love the most. Save your favorite idea. Try something new. Challenge yourself. Create with confidence. Remember, handmade fashion is timeless. Crochet never goes out of style. It is a beautiful, unique, and personal. Wear your creativity proudly. Be proud of what you make. Your hearts are powerful. Your creativity matters. Your ideas matters. Your work matter. So motivate yourself by crocheting the design you love the most. Do not wait for the perfect time. Start now. Your next masterpiece could begin today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this crochet handmade top blouse new design inspired you. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. And let me know which design is your favorite. See you in the next video. Stay creative, stay inspired and keep crocheting. Have a nice day. Bye.